Hi everyone, nice to meet you again. I hear that another 80-100 single pass link line is preparing in our factory. It's in front of our first floor workshop. So let's go and have a look. Wonder INNO PRO single pass industrial high precision digital printer. With a standard physical resolution of 1800 MPI, it perfectly enhances the operational stability, printing clarity, and color printing quality. The maximum production speed reaches 150 meters per minute, meeting high-speed printing damage. It's primarily suited for high-end color printing orders on coated boards. Wonder INNO PRO providing more possibilities for color printing package. Well, how much do you rent to this 80-100 MPI single pass link line? Leave your thoughts in our comment section. Contact us for free samples if you need. Digital printer, where to find? Wonder Jet, where you come.